heartily welcome you to this beautiful world of Next Money. So my dear friends, Next Money is a 100% Indian application. It is a unique concept that changes your life. Vision of the Next Money is Digital India, Healthy India and Wealthy India. So let's contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's join Next Money. Next Money is developed by NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited that has been working since 2013 in IT field. This is an Indian company with its head office located in Pune and has its own traditional business of developing software, website and app. According to new direct selling guideline made by Indian government, NextGen IIT is the only company of service sector certified with Ministry of Consumer Affairs and MSME Government of India and has won more than 25 national and international awards. The person in front of you on your screen is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman and he is the Chief Managing Director of the company. He has won more than 25 national and international awards, which also includes Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award. Company has all the legal certifications like GST, trademark, incorporation, PAN card and MSME certification. Central Vigilance Commission certificate. This certificate has its own importance. Getting this certificate as an award from the government is a big deal for the company, and for this the company has to promise the government that it will uphold high standards and will follow ethical practices in conducting all its activities. Behind any kind of startup there are strong reasons, and that reasons are our dreams, goals and ambitions. We all have some general dreams like good bank balance, our dream house, quality education for our children, diamond jewelry for our family, dream car and foreign tours. So my dear friends, if you can dream it, you can do it. But the question arises how? There are four most important things that people need to complete their dreams. Money. We all need money to fulfill our dreams and achieve our goals. Progress. We all want to progress in our life. Freedom. We all want freedom from our little thinking and 9 to 5 rush of our life so that we can spend more time in achieving our goals. Security. With us and after us, the security of our family is the most important part of our life. So why Next Money is important? Next Money provides you with all these facilities. Here you get unlimited earning opportunities. Here you progress from one level to another level. Next Money provides you with full freedom, and for Next Money, the security of your family is at most. How to join Next Money? This is a 4-step easy process. Step first, installation of the app. For this, you need to visit the Play Store of your mobile and from there you can download the application. Step 2. After downloading, if you are an existing distributor, you can log into your account. But if you are a new user, then you need to sign up. Step 3. After getting signed up, you need to create your account. Enter referral name, check it and then confirm it. Enter your mobile number, email address, create your username, enter your full name as per your PAN card details, create your password, confirm that password and accept all the terms and conditions of the Next Money. Step 4. After completing all these formalities, now you are ready to log in. By entering your username and password, you can log into your account. Now you are on the home page of Next Money. After that, you need to become premium distributor, and for that you have to pay 1500 as your premium distributor fee plus 270 GST, means a total of 1770 rupees, and after that you will get lifetime cashback from 0.5 to 20% on different services. You will get 1550 reward point as a gift from the company, where one reward point is equal to 1 rupee. You can use these reward points up to 60% in different services. Here you get unlimited earning opportunities. Why Prime membership of Next Money? Friends, nowadays all the branded companies in the market charges you with some Prime membership fees. Like Amazon charges 999 rupees for 12 months, Paytm charges 750 rupees for 12 months, YouTube charges 1548 rupees for 12 months. And same as Hotstar also charges 1548 rupees for 12 months. But Next Money charges 1770 770 rupees for lifetime. Means if you want to continue your services as a Prime member from all other companies, you need to pay after every 12 months. But in Next Money, you have to pay once in your lifetime and then you will earn unlimited for your lifetime. Other companies in the market works on B2C model, means they makes you customer, whereas Next Money works on B2B model. It makes you business distributor. It provides you with business opportunities. Let's have a look at what are the services that Next Money provides you with. Next Money is a master application where you can complete your 80% work at a single portal. Next Money provides you with recharge service, booking service. It has tie-ups with some branded companies like Amazon and Flipkart, from where you can get services. Here you can insure your vehicle, health, life, etc. Next, shopping. It is the shopping portal owned by Next Money. Next Money provides you with health and education services. Here you can make merchant. It provides you with domain, bulk SMS and hosting services. And here you also get free services like bill payments. And in all these services you can use your reward points up to 60% and can get a cashback up to 20%. Let us discuss all these services further in detail. On recharging your mobile, data card, DTH, etc., you will get 2% cashback and can use 1% reward points. On booking bus, hotel, cab, holiday flight, movie, etc., you will get 3 to 5% cashback and can use 1 to 5% reward points. On domain, website, hosting, bulk SMS, health and education services, you will get 10 to 20% cashback and can use 10% reward points. On free services like electricity bill, phone bill, water bill, postpaid bill and insurance, you did not get any cashback, but here you will get 25% discount points. Say for an example, if you have paid 1000 rupees electricity bill, you will get 250 discount points, where 1 discount point is equal to 1 rupee. Next, shopping. It is Next Money's own shopping portal and has tie-ups with some branded companies like Badana, Japan, Reliance, etc. Whenever you get service from this portal, you will get cashback up to 20% and can use your reward points up to 60%. And here you will get 100% discount points of the product cost. Next Money Merchant. Here you can make merchant. Whenever any Next Money distributor shares his referral link and makes a merchant, that merchant has to promise the company that it will give minimum 10% discount to all those customers that will pay him through their Next Money wallet. And this 10% will be distributed as follows. 7.5% will go back to the customer as cashback. 1% will go to the referrer, 0.5% will be distributed in the up 10 levels of the referrer, 0.5 will be distributed to up 10 levels of the customer and 0.5 will remain to the company. Let's have a look at some of our affiliated partners. Tata Click. It is a 100% Indian shopping portal and here you will get all those services that you get from Amazon and Flipkart. Here you can insure your vehicle and health. NextGen IIT provides you with domain and web hosting services. NetMeds, India's pharmacy. From here you can buy medicines. And the most superb thing is that here you get free instant PAN card online. Means you need not to run here and there for getting your PAN card. And whenever you get services from all these affiliated partners, you will get 0.5 to 20% cashback depending upon the merchant and the product. And no reward points are used in the services. By the way, Next Money provides you with unlimited earning opportunities. But here I am going to discuss only about 6 types of earning opportunities. Saving income, referral income, repurchase income, star royalty, company royalty and leadership royalty income. Saving income. As a premium member, you will continue to get lifetime cashback on recharge, booking, shopping, etc. Say for an example, if you did nothing and just used your 1550 reward points by doing recharge at your home and received a cashback of rupees 3100, here you have saved rupees 4650. Some products are also available on the shopping portal of Next Money where you can use your complete 1550 reward points. Kiku app, India's Kitab Copy, an amazing application for your children to enhance and improve their learning skills. If you will buy this app directly from the company, then it will cost you 11,800 rupees. But from Next Money, it will cost you 4,500 rupees, in which you can use your complete 1550 reward points. Means you need to pay only 2,950 rupees, from which you will get 500 cashback. Means total payment you did is 2,450 rupees. Means through Next Money you are getting an application of 11,800 in just rupees 2,450. Such more products are also available like Next Alkaline Stick Water Purifier for your home. My English Friend, it will enhance your English. Gas Safety Kit, it will keep your gas cylinder safe. And here you will get discount points return 100% of the product MRP, and the company will keep bringing such products for you. Referral income. Whenever you join an individual by sharing your referral link, it will come at your first level, and from each individual at your first level you will get 20% of 1500, means rupees 300, and you can transfer this earning to bank. In this way, you can refer unlimited person and can earn unlimited income. Let's understand through a chart that how much you can earn from referral income. If each member refers in a duplication of 5, then your earning, your team size will be as follows. At level first, you will earn 20% from per referral, means rupees 300, and then your team size will be 5 and your earning will be 1500. At level second, your team size will be 25 and your earning will be 750. At level third, your team size will be 125 and your total earning will be 5,625. Up to 10th level, your team size will be 97 lakh plus and your earning will be 146 crore plus. And when you will make a total of your 10 level earning, you will find that it is 178 crore plus. If each member refers in duplication of 5, then you can earn as follows. If you get success 100%, then you will surely earn 178 crores. But if you succeeded only 50%, then you will earn 89 crores. If you succeeded only 10%, then also you will earn 17.80 crores. But if you did nothing and just succeeded only 1%, then also you will earn 1.78 crores. Have you ever seen an opportunity like this where with only 1% success you have earned 1 crore rupees? I don't think so, and in my opinion, no one should miss this opportunity. Repurchase income. You will also get 2.5% of the cashback that an individual in your team get on recharge, shopping, booking, etc. For example, if anyone up to your 10th level has purchased a smart LED from Amazon and received a cashback of rupees 10,000, then you will also get a cashback of rupees 25. If someone in your team does recharge and received a cashback of rupees 10, then you will also get a cashback of 25 paisa. Let's see how much you can earn from repurchase. If you have a team size of 1 lakh and these all 1 lakh individuals take recharge service of minimum 200, then you will earn 10,000 rupees. And if all these individuals take booking service of minimum 500, then your income will be 37,500 rupees. And if all these 1 lakh individuals take shopping service of minimum 1000 rupees, then you will earn 2.50 lakhs. Means your total earning will be 2,97,500 rupees. Here with a team size of 1 lakh, you will earn 3 lakhs per month. Royalty income. For income above 10th level, you need to achieve royalty and then you will earn up to unlimited level. First comes silver royalty, and the condition for this is that you must have 5 direct joinings plus one among them must be upgraded up to your 10th level. and then your income will be 1% per joining, means rupees 15. Gold royalty. Gold royalty. You must have 5 direct silver stars, and then your income will be 2% per joining, means rupees 30, and this will be distributed on the difference basis. Diamond royalty. You must have 5 gold star from 5 different lakhs, and then your income will be 3% per joining, means rupees 45, and this will also be distributed on the difference basis. Leadership royalty. For this, you must be a silver star, and when you help all your direct 5 colleagues to complete their 5, then you achieve leadership royalty, and then you will get 10% leadership bonus every day of the daily income of all your colleagues engaged in your direct. Company royalty. Crown diamond. You achieve this if you have 5 diamonds from 5 different legs up to your 10th level, and then your income will be 1% in the joining turnover of the company, and this royalty will be divided among all the crown diamonds. Power of plan. Why Mix Money is unique. Here you get instant money within a second. No sale, no purchase till you does not require the same. No target, no closing. Growth level income. 100% liability free and 100% legal, as we have already discussed about the legal certifications of the company. Let's have a look at some of the special offers by the company. If you complete 5 joinings at your level first and 25 at your level second within the 30 days of your joining, then you achieve Goa tour 2 nights 3 days fully paid by the company. If you complete 5 at your level first, 25 at your level second and 125 at your level third within the 90 days of your joining, then you achieve 4 and tour 2 nights 3 days fully paid by the company. And the most superb offer with no time limit. Whenever you complete 5 at your level first, 25 at your level second, 125 at your level third and 625 at your level fourth, then you achieve 4 and 2 nights 3 days fully paid by the company. So my dear friends, all the 3 are very exciting offers. Try that you get all the 3 offers. At last but not the least, I want to say, don't give up. The beginning is always hardest. Life rewards those who work hard at it. Bill Gates, we all know about him. He says, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. So my dear friend, if he can understand the value and importance of network marketing, then why we cannot? So my dear friends, start working hard and achieve your goals, dreams and ambitions as soon as possible. Thank you.